you whine like that? My horse. No, no. Now, what do you? Eyes on me. I'm talking. When I talk, time pauses. You hear me? Good. Sit. Be cool.
Don't touch that. I decide when things get touched. Ask first.
My perch, my rules. Shoes off at the door, don't touch the bull, and absolutely no whistling before sunup. You hear me? I'm running a household, not a bird sanctuary. And if I don't yell, I announce, I don't ask,